Hey friends, if the disk space bar is missing in this PC of Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Now see, here's the thing. In this PC, you usually have these bars, but at times these bars are missing, and a lot of users have reported that they have an icon instead of it. All you need to do is click on these three dots here, select options, go to the view tab and click on reset folders and on yes. It will reset all the settings and these bars should be back in 99.9% of the cases. But what if it doesn't work? In that case, the issue cannot be with the settings because you have already reset the settings. That's why instead of changing a specific setting, I have reset it. So to fix this problem, here's what you have to do. Simply perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.